Download Visual C++ runtime. Download the latest version from Microsoft. Install both versions, vcredist.x64.exe, vcredist.x86.exe. After installing, restart your PC. Repair existing installation. If you already installed it, 1. Open Control Panel. 2. Go to Programs and Features. 3. Find Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022. 4. Click Modify Repair. Install DirectX, important. Many games like Poppy Playtime also require DirectX. Install DirectX end-user runtime. Verify game files, Steam. If using Steam, 1. Right-click Poppy Playtime. 2. Properties. 3. Installed files. 4. Verify integrity of game files. Good YouTube video topic. This error is very searchable. SEO title: How to fix Poppy Playtime Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributable error. Short title: Poppy Playtime VCplusplus error fix 26. Keywords: Poppy Playtime Visual C++ error, Poppy Playtime missing VC runtime fix, Poppy Playtime redistributable error, Poppy Playtime not launching fix. Hashtags: Poppy Playtime error fix, VC++ Steam fix,